This is Bharti Mehta, HOD Science from Scindia Kanya Vidyalaya, and we have had a session with FIZ Robotic Solutions, and this session was organized to train our students on basic electronics. And based on that workshop, we had a competition where students were given some problems based on circuits again, and they had to make circuits. Various components were given to them, and the basic thing which I would like to say is the children had a good learning experience. They were really happy to have the session. They enjoyed the training program. The training program was conducted in a very friendly manner where they could connect to the concepts they had learnt in the theory, and they were really happy to see that what they've learnt in the theory, actually they are doing hands-on experience there. So that way it has been really good to have FRS people with us to train our students and help us conduct the workshop, the competition. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Priyanka Paliwal, PGD Physics from Scindia Kanya Vidyalaya. And I would like to say that I'm glad that we had the people from FIZ Robotic Solutions. And the session that was conducted was one of the best that I have ever seen. The best part was the first training session that the girls had with them. It started from theory and then the hands-on that was given to the girls. It was great, and this is what developed the interest among the students, which helped them to successfully complete the event that we had the other day. And it is really great. The girls are getting interest, which is what we want. We don't want to include fancy words. What we want to have is that the interest should be built, and this is what we actually had. So thank you so much, FIZ Robotics team, for that. Thank you.
Innovation pays off.